Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorials. In today's video, we're going to show you how to order at AliExpress. Ordering on AliExpress is a straightforward process, so let's get straight into the video. Open AliExpress website or application by using the link in the description. Make sure that you're logged into your account using your Facebook or Google account, or just type your email here from the main homepage of AliExpress. You can search for the product with the help of the search box at the top. You can also browse through the product's categories displayed on the screen. Now scroll through the product and find the one that you'd like to purchase. Tap on the product to purchase it, and then this will show you other information about the product. You can select the size, colors, and the design. To order the product right away, tap on the Buy Now button at the bottom right-hand corner. Fill in your shipping address and other information. On this page, it'll show you the order details and the summary. And choose your desired payments method. You can select PayPal, add a new credit or debit card. Select one of the options as a payment method. In my case, I'm going to choose the Add a New Card option. Go ahead and pick one of the options. Enter your card number in the text box, your name, your card expire date, and the CVV code for the card. And finally, tap on Save and Confirm at the bottom. After you do that, you'll be able to place order and finalize your product. After successfully placing your order, you'll receive an order confirmation. With a tracking number, you can use the number to track the status of your shipment, depending upon the shipping method and your location. All you need to do now is to wait for the order to be delivered. So that is how you can easily place an order on AliExpress. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.